Hello, this is Yasen Machinery. Today we are going to show you how to assemble our packing machine. The first thing you need to do is to install the rack. There are 3 bolts here that you need to install in order to fix the rack. So after that, you're going to install these 3 bars. Okay? And the next, you're going to install the roller. Okay, now I have already installed the roller. So make sure you also put this O-ring here to fix the roller. Next, you're gonna pull out the film. It goes behind this bar here and then come forward, goes in front of this bar. And the next is very important. Make sure you cut a triangle here. This would make you more easier to slide into this back forming mold. Now that we have threaded the film through the back forming mold, the next thing we need to do is to open the pulling wheel by this handle here. So open, close. We open the wheel and then we carefully tuck the edge of the film inside between the 2 wheels. So same for the other side. And then we close the pulling wheel. Now all the basic setting is done. We can actually start testing this packing machine. Power on. And then you can see the temperature right now, it's set to 150 Celsius. The current temperature is about 83, 84. So it will take some time to let it heat up to 150. Okay. So as the machine is heating up, I'm going to take some time to explain the control panel here. Obviously this button here is for adding temperature, minusing temperature. Function button is to switch between 2 temperatures. So here we have lens setting, adding lens, minus lens. Let's set it to 80 millimeter. Once the machine have reached the temperature we set, this temperature ready light will be on. Okay, so the light is on. That means the machine is ready to work. You can use the red button here to test the manual cutting function. You see. And the green button here is for the pulling wheel to pull down the bag. Alright, the final step is to put our filling machine on top of this packing machine. As you can see, this is the signal cable which allows the filling machine to talk to this lower packing machine. And here is the power cord This filling machine is actually drawing power from this lower packing machine, you can see. This particular filling machine, it features a spiral tunnel, which is far more accurate than a normal filling machine, which uses a straight line tunnel. So this spiral tunnel is far more accurate. Okay, let me just grab the cap here and put it on. Now that I have put back the cover, we're going to test this filling machine with some rice. Okay. Power switch. You can see this control panel is pretty straightforward. You see, this is the weight adding. This is minusing the weight. Okay, let's set it to 35 gram. And this button here is to reset the counter. So the counter is now 0, so there is no need to reset it. And this is the speed, the fast speed, middle speed, the slowest speed. We can just use middle this time. And there is a start button. The packing machine is now lens set to 90 millimeter, temperature ready, 35 gram each bag, current weight is 0, counter 0, speed medium, and start. Obviously the lens is too much, so I'm going to stop the machine and let's reset the lens to maybe 45. Okay, start. Now it looks perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our automatic packing machine. Please make sure you also check out our website, madpacking.com. Thank you. And one more crucial thing, please use the case. Okay? You don't want your hands to be clamped at 115 Celsius. It would be a disaster. So for your safe protection, always use the case.